The Verna police, along with the officials of the Zuari Indian Oil Tanking Limited, have unearthed a petroleum pilfering racket near the MES College at Alto Dabolim on Monday, which has been going on for quite some time. Some unknown culprits have been pilfering petroleum products by making a 3-centimeter hole in the pipeline belonging to the Zuari Indian Petroleum Pipeline at Alto Dabolim coming from Mormugam Port Trust along the highway. The enormity of oil pilferage from underground pipelines is being exposed, and the Verna police had unearthed siphoning of petrol from the pipeline belonging to Zuari Indian Oil Tanking Limited. There is a 14-kilometer long pipeline which carries the petroleum product downloaded from ships at the MPT to the Zuari Indian Oil Tanking Limited tanks at Vasco. Upon noticing the loss in the petroleum product at the receiving end at Zeol unit at Zuari Nagar Plateau, the Verna police detected an oil pilferage besides the National Highway 17B near Airport Plaza Hotel at Alto Dabolim. Investigations revealed that the pipeline had been willfully punctured to steal the petro products. It is believed that petrol and hydrocarbons consisting of petrol, diesel, kerosene, naphtha and industrial solvents were carried through this pipeline. This clandestine activity was going on for quite some time. Speaking to Goa 365, the Verna Police Inspector Jivba Dalvi has, however, expressed confidence to solve the mystery behind the pilferage.
We have detected pilferage of petroleum product by fixing the pipe to the pipeline which carries the petroleum product from MPT to ZIL. You know that the main pipeline, the hole is made and the pipe is connected to the main pipe. So we are investigating the case. Matter reported yesterday night by the officials of ZIL.
And whose premises you found this?
The investigation is going on. We raised the case under section 379, 285 and section 23 of Petroleum Act.
On unknown person or known person?
Till now the person is unknown.
Your confidence of cracking the case?
Yes.
It is suspected that the petroleum products from the pilfered quantity was sold in the market. As the pilferage was taking place along the national highway without being noticed by the police, this raises one suspicion that stealing operation could have been carried out in connivance with the influential people who shielded the culprits.